Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Thakre and my teammate is Sushil Kakhlij, and this subject is nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant. First, nuclear power plants are types of power plants that use the process of nuclear fusion in order to generate electricity. They do this by using nuclear reaction in combination with the Rankine cycle, where the heat generated by a reactor converts which into steam, which spins a turbine and a generator. Nuclear power provides the world with around 11% of the total electricity, with the largest producers being the United States and France. Second, aside from the source of heat, nuclear power plants are very similar to coal fired power plants. However, they require need different safety measures since the use of nuclear fuel has vastly different properties from coal or other fossil fuels. They get their thermal power for splitting the nucleus of atoms in their reactor core, with uranium being the dominant choice of fuel in the world today. Thorium also has potential use of nucleus power production. However, it is not currently in use. Below is the basic operation of the boiling water power plant. We show the many components of the power plant along with the generation of electricity. Diagram of nuclear power plant. Components and operation. First, nuclear reactor. The reactor is a key component of power plant as it contains the fuel and its nuclear chain reaction along with all the nuclear wastes products. The reactor is the heat source for the power plant, just like the boiler is for a coal plant. Uranium is the dominant nuclear fuel used to in nuclear reactor, and its fission reaction are what produce the heat within a reactor. This heat is then transferred to the reactor's coolant, which provides heat to other parts of the nuclear power plant. Second, steam generation. The production of steam is common along all nuclear power plants, but the way this is done varies immediately. Steam turbine in a power plant. The mostly common power plant in the world use pressure water reactor, which use two loops of circling water to produce steam. The first loop carries extremely hot liquid water to the heat exchanger, where water at the lower pressure is circulated. It then heats up and boils to steam and can then be sent to the turbine section. Boiling water reactor, the second most common reactors in power generation, heat the water in the core directly to steam. Third, turbine and generator. Two cooling towers of nuclear power plant. Once steam has been produced, it travels at high pressure and speeds through one or more turbines. These get up to extremely high speed, causing the steam to lose energy, therefore condensing back to the cooler liquid water. The rotation of the turbines is used to spin an electric generator, which produces electricity that is sent out the electrical grid. Fourth, cooling towers. Perhaps the most iconic symbol of the nuclear power plant is the cooling tower seen In figure 4, they works to reject waste heat to atmosphere by the transfer of heat from hot water from the turbine section to the cooler outside air. Hot water cools in contact with the air and small portion around 2% evaporates and rises up through the top. Moreover, this plant do not release any carbon dioxide, the primary greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. Click here to see how a cooling tower works.